I can't help it.
We gotta see your face.
I can't help it. It just makes that. Yes. Oh yes.
Look, it's pretty.
Oh yes. Whoa.
What was that, eyes? Look, it looks like we live in a big place.
I know.
With the curtains, it kind of looks like we're in a tent.
Wow. It looks smaller now. Okay. Let's watch this one.